Hey Martika, guess what? Today we're going to the park to see the fireworks for 4th of July, and we want you to be in your best behavior or else you will be grounded, got it?
And if you behave on the park, we will take you to Chuck E. Cheese's.
Ugh, whatever Mom and Dad, let's go to the park.
Good, now let's go to the car.
Ugh, Mom, Dad, and Ash, I regret coming to here. I just want to go to Chuck E. Cheese's now.
Hey! We've warned you to behave yourself to go to Chuck E. Cheese's. Just wait the end of the fireworks.
I agree with Mom. Don't ruin the fireworks or you will be grounded.
Fine. I will behave.
All right. People, the fireworks for 4th of July will start on 4 minutes, so stay tuned for that.
Hey Mom and Dad, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes you can, but hurry up, it's about to start the fireworks.
Thanks Mom and Dad. Ha 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 ha. I cheated on my parents that I was going to the bathroom. Now I'm going to Chuck E. Cheese's.
Ugh, the fireworks just finished, and Martika is not back. Where is she?
According to my calculations, she wanted to go to Chuck E. Cheese's, so, instead of going to the bathroom, she is on Chuck E. Cheese's.
Oh. My. God. That's very serious. Let's go for her.
Okay, now I'm going back to the park. Oh no. There are my parents and Ash. I'm so dead.
Martika, how dare you go to Chuck E. Cheese's on fireworks time? Your mother told you that we would go to Chuck E. Cheese's after the fireworks if you behave, but no. You didn't listen to her.
That's it. Let's go to home right now.
No 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 no.
That's it Martika, you are grounded for 4, 5, 6 years.
Go to your room now.
You scumbitch.